Did you know that chronic inflammation is linked to major health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers? It's a silent epidemic affecting millions of people today. In fact, recent studies suggest that nearly 50% of adults suffer from some form of chronic inflammation. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of anti-inflammatory superfoods, those powerful foods that can help reduce chronic inflammation and improve your overall health. We'll explore how these foods work at a cellular level and why they are essential for anyone looking to enhance their well-being. By the end of this video, you'll discover not only the best superfoods to combat inflammation, but also some surprising food culprits that might be contributing to your health issues. Plus, we'll share meal ideas and practical tips to make these changes easy and enjoyable. Get ready for a journey towards a healthier you. Let's start with the basics. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It helps protect and heal your body. However, there are two types, acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is short-term and typically occurs after an injury like a sprained ankle, where redness and swelling are normal. This type of inflammation is beneficial and necessary for healing. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, lingers for months or even years. It can lead to serious health issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Chronic inflammation can be silent, often without clear symptoms, until significant damage has been done. Now, what you eat plays a crucial role in inflammation. Certain foods can trigger inflammatory responses, while others can help alleviate them. This brings us to the idea of dietary inflammation, the concept that what you consume can either help or hinder your body's inflammatory processes. Understanding this balance is key. For instance, while whole grains can be beneficial for many, those with gluten sensitivities may find them inflammatory. Let's explore some of the common inflammatory foods next. Let's talk about the usual suspects when it comes to inflammation. High amounts of added sugars can lead to insulin resistance and increased inflammatory markers. Research shows that sugar can trigger the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats and additives that can trigger inflammation. The high levels of preservatives and artificial ingredients can disrupt gut health. Trans fats found in many fried and baked goods can increase inflammation levels in the body by promoting oxidative stress. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that certain foods you might think are healthy can also cause inflammation? For some people, dairy can trigger inflammatory responses, particularly if they're lactose intolerant or sensitive to casein proteins. While whole grains can be healthy for many, gluten can cause inflammation in individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. To illustrate this, let's look at some studies linking these foods to inflammation. One study found that individuals consuming high amounts of processed sugars had a significantly higher level of inflammatory markers in their blood. Now that we understand what to avoid, let's focus on the heroes of our story, anti-inflammatory superfoods. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation significantly. Just 2 servings a week can make a difference in your inflammation levels. Omega-3s help inhibit the production of inflammatory substances in the body. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and even lesser-known varieties like Swiss chard are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. These nutrients combat oxidative stress, a contributor to chronic inflammation, and provide essential nutrients like vitamin K and magnesium. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Did you know that elderberries, often overlooked, are among the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods out there? They also boost immune function. Turmeric is another superstar, thanks to curcumin, its active compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. To maximize its benefits, pair turmeric with black pepper. This enhances its absorption by up to 2000%. Try adding it to soups, smoothies, or even rice. Nuts, like walnuts, and seeds like chia are not only high in healthy fats, but also rich in fiber, which can help regulate your body's inflammatory response. Chia seeds are particularly noteworthy. They contain both soluble and insoluble fibers that support gut health. Section 4. The power of gut health. Now let's talk about gut health. Did you know that your gut microbiome plays a significant role in inflammation levels throughout your body? An unhealthy gut can contribute to systemic inflammation through mechanisms like increased intestinal permeability, often referred to as leaky gut. A healthy gut microbiome not only aids digestion, but also supports immune function and reduces systemic inflammation. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can boost your gut health and help reduce inflammation. These foods introduce beneficial probiotics that balance your gut microbiome and promote overall well-being. Studies have shown that probiotics can enhance the gut barrier function and reduce inflammatory markers in individuals with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Section 5. Meal ideas and recipes. Now that we know which superfoods to include, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your meals. Blend together your favorite berries with a handful of spinach and a tablespoon of flaxseed for a delicious and nutrient-packed breakfast. Toss together leafy greens with grilled salmon, walnuts, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice for a refreshing lunch. Cook brown rice with turmeric powder, topped with sautéed vegetables and grilled chicken or chickpeas for a hearty dinner. These meals are not only anti-inflammatory, but also easy to prepare, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. Section 6. Lifestyle tips for reducing inflammation. While food is essential, other lifestyle factors are equally important. Staying hydrated, getting quality sleep, managing stress levels through mindfulness practices all contribute significantly to reducing inflammation. Water helps flush out toxins from the body. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep has been linked to increased inflammatory markers. Incorporate mindfulness practices like yoga or meditation into your daily routine. Studies show these practices lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress-induced inflammation. To recap, we've covered the impact of inflammation on health, how diet plays a crucial role, and identified both harmful foods to avoid as well as powerful superfoods that combat chronic inflammation effectively. I encourage you to try incorporating these anti-inflammatory superfoods into your diet over the next few weeks. Keep track of how you feel. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. What surprising insight did you learn today? Share it below.